Good morning. Today is my 43rd birthday, and I thought it would be fun to try a vlog. This is not something I normally do or I'm very comfortable with, but I have wanted to start it. So I thought it would be a good day to try that. So far, it's about 9 o'clock. I have been up since 5. That's my normal wake time. I did my reading time. I received some gifts from my husband. I'll show you those later. I did a weight workout. I've had a shower. It's been just kind of a normal morning around here so far, but we've got some fun stuff planned for the rest of the day. We homeschool, and so when it's somebody's birthday, we all get to enjoy that. So, because it's my birthday, I have planned a project I've wanted to do for a long time. I'm going to be dyeing today, dyeing some cloth napkins. It's something I've kind of been learning about and dreaming about. And since I try not to work on my birthday, which is very hard for me, I will be doing this instead. This will be my creative project today. And I'm really looking forward to that. We also have a scrimmage for my son's soccer team. My kids have a ceramics class and a co-op that they go to. They go to a PE co-op that we have done for years and they really love. And my good friend is taking them today so that I can have some time by myself, which is unusual. So it's going to be a great day. There's a banner, happy birthday banner made by my 11-year-old. Hey, okay, so we're about halfway through the day now. I've had a grand time working on my dyeing project. You can probably see my hands are a little bit purplish blue right now because I thought we had rubber gloves, but we do not. So, whoops on that. That's okay. I was too excited and I just did it anyway. I'm in the car, which is fitting because I feel like I spend most of my time in the car these days. I just dropped my oldest son off at a soccer scrimmage, and now I'm getting back to the house for a little bit of quiet time. I'm going to read and knit at the same time. It's one of my favorite things to do. I like to read on my Kindle while I knit a really mindless project. If it's a more intense project, I will need an audiobook, but this one is simple. So that is nice. And then I'm not really sure what the rest of the day will hold. We've got other kids to run other places. Unfortunately, life does not stop just because it's my birthday. But all good things. So our younger kids have a ceramics class this afternoon, and then we will have dinner, and we take our birthday desserts very seriously. Pie is my choice, like a berry pie. So I'm hoping for a berry pie. We'll see how that turns out. And then mahjong with friends. It's a perfect day. Hey, so it's a couple days later. I am not used to filming a vlog and totally forgot to film the rest of the day. So the rest of my birthday was awesome. We went to our favorite Indian restaurant for dinner. We picked up a cheesecake from a local bakery for dessert. And then our friends came over for mahjong, and it was awesome. I did want to show you my kind of ridiculous birthday gifts. It seems really silly, but I have been loving it. So I'll flip this around so you can see. My husband got this Kindle stand, and it has different like thicknesses. You can flip it around different ways, so it's like thinner or thicker or whatever, depending on what kind of device you're putting in it. And then I use my Kindle a lot at night because my husband tends to fall asleep a lot faster than I do, and I really like that it is backlit, so I don't have to have a light on when I'm reading. The lighting is weird from my window. 1 second. Okay, that didn't completely fix it, but that's fine. So the other thing I got is this remote page turner. So you just hook this up on the side, and then you can keep your hands all snuggled under the covers and just click the remote when you're ready to turn the page. I generally sleep on my side, or I read on my side in bed. So I put it, like this on its side, and then turn the pages. And anybody I've talked to about this thinks it's pretty silly, but I will tell you, if you are a big reader and you try this, you will be converted as well. So that is my silly, fun, very enjoyable reading setup for my birthday. It was a really good birthday. My kids made me sweet presents. My oldest gave me tickets to go to the ballet. So we're going to go together in a couple of months to see Sleeping Beauty, which will be amazing. And I also got some swimming gear. I'm getting back into swimming laps. It's been a few years since I've been able to do that. And so that's been really nice. I got a new kickboard and fins for swimming. Yeah. Lots of messages, lots of just people reaching out. It was a really nice day. And I'm glad that you were able to join me, even though I forgot to record most of it. So that's all for now. Thank you for being here, and I will see you another day.